This is Mia with WTI.
If you're looking for a comfy, stylish new ottoman to add to your living space, then this ottoman by Christopher Knight is it. It is so nice and so easy to put together. It literally took me under 2 minutes to do so. And it has loads of space. It can hold plenty of sheets and blankets, or really anything that you want stored, but to have easy access to. And another nice feature about this ottoman is it has a nice, slow closing lid. It's even adjustable. I don't know about you, but I know I hate it when doors and lids slam shut. And unlike most furniture, this ottoman is very light. So light you can even move it around with one arm. It's so nice having furniture that's easily movable when you're deciding where you want to put it. But wherever you put it, this ottoman with its very nice fabric and beautiful color is just going to look great.
And that's my point of view.